Hello YouTubers. What we're doing today is replacing the screen on my Galaxy, which I broke again, conveniently. And you can see where it's cracked. This is a Chinese screen already. I broke the OEM one, changed it out, put in this Chinese one, and broke it again. Just trying to keep my face out of it. There you can see where one of the pieces fell out because originally there's glue all behind the screen, so that doesn't happen. But there you can see it works. Basically, we're going to start by actually, let's go over what we need. One razor blade, some 2mm thick double-sided sticky tape. I'll go over that. I did another video on this and I left out a few steps, and all you people hate me. We need the replacement screen kit. There you have it. Let's see, Samsung, yada yada. And a bunch of little tools and stuff, some of which we'll use, some of it we won't. So let's dive right in. I like using the razor blade first. Actually, I gotta kill the battery. This is really simple to do. If you're taking off the OEM screen, you're going to need a hair dryer. You would heat it up nice and hot and go around the edge with the razor blade, but I don't like to do that because I don't have any of that stuff. So I got my battery. I'll toss this back on here for fun. And it's really simple. Keep in mind, guys, like I said already, I'm replacing an already replaced screen. So this one's already Chinese to begin with, or wherever they're made. But basically, let's see, let's get in the frame here. See, I'm just going to go under this, like that. See? Just go under it with the edge and just slide it around. It's really simple because I've already done this before on this particular phone, like I said. So, as you get to the top, just keep coming around. You can see, have it in. If you get hung up anywhere, just skip and go to the next edge. That's all it takes. That's it. Big piece. Voila. See that? Now you can see my double sticky tape. Broken glass, yay! That's. Whoops, as it may seem, we ran out of battery, but we're back. And saw me take off that piece. So let's just move on to the next. Basically, it's the same thing. Just get that guy down there. Slide it around. You be careful when you get down here. The button and the two buttons here. You don't want to damage them. So just gonna keep this guy going. You really want to stay away from the screen itself, the LCD. But let's see. Okay. There it is. See, it's coming up. Voila. There you have another big piece. You can see a little button there. Let's see if it focuses. Button there, center button there. Basically, you're just going to do this same process all the way around. Mine's much easier because The factory screen has a bunch of sticky stuff here. This is just dirty because I've been using this cracked screen for a while. But I'll clean that with the alcohol. You would take off the sticky stuff in the same fashion. Again, be careful with the underlying electronics. This should come off really easy. Go. Just all coming apart. We only got a few little pieces left. So let's do that now. There's another one. And another one. We're almost done. There you have it. Now we're just going to wipe down the screen. Just alcohol on this guy. Very nice. You're going to want to make sure it's pretty clean, or clean enough if you don't really care. Alright. This is double sticky. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to lie it on the borders, the edges, across the top. I already have some there, so I will not be putting more. There's some left over from when with the other screen. You want to make sure all the debris, just taking out little pieces here, is out. Probably going to lie another sticky strip down at the bottom. Get that out. There it is. Take it. Measure it. Just like that. Cut it. And then we'll just peel it now. Just make sure it's down. Alright. Boom. So I'm just going to wipe this down one more time. You could use the plastic tools if there's any glass physically stuck to the LCD. Here's the new screen. Nice and beautiful. There you have it. In and outs. You're not going to want to take these plastics off till you're ready to, voila, put the screen on. So, again, I'm just going to wipe it down. Any debris in here could mess up the way that touch works, so you really want to make sure spend some good time cleaning it. Let me see. Just a little bit more. And we'll be there. There you have it. For those of you asking, these little buttons still work. When I put it on, they ain't gonna light up because I have it disabled in the firmware or whatever it's called in the settings, but they still work. So let's just maybe I'll put a case on it this time so I don't break the screen again. Just take it. Very simple. Boom. That's all she wrote. So, here it is. Boom. There's little markings back there because my screen has been broken so long. It left a few scratches on the LCD. Let me put this back together for you guys. You'll see. Samsung. That's it. Let's let it boot up. See? It's him lighting up. That still works. Everything still works. That's it. Yep. See? All buttons. Everything. There you have it. Some of you people actually thought it was fake changing out the screen. I did it in not even 10 minutes. But it's only because it was already broken before. It was really simple to do. So, if you like the video, like it. If you don't, I don't know, dislike it or something. But, there you have it. Good luck with yours.